Go. Oh my gosh! What are we doing?
We need more water.
Need more water, baby.
Longer track.
Taking it to the pond.
All right, let's see what we can do. Yeah, he's gonna have to do this he's gonna have to hold this a certain way or he ain't gonna make it.
Right.
Because you're not gonna be down in the water doing it, you're gonna be on top, right? You're gonna jump in on it. As soon as the rope
needs to have like the end of the board kind of on the ground.
Yeah. And if you can steer,
more, like
no. Turn it to your right. Turn it to the right. Like right on the edge. So when you land it, yeah, you go out, but you curve it back in and stay along the side of the pond.
You're on the other side of the duck house. All right, ready?
You ready?
Yeah, go.
All right, go.
Get your board. Feels weird, but I think you can get it.
I think I need more of a run up. All right, Avery. Hey, go. Hey.
Yeah, go.
All right, hit it. Yep.
No way, he did it! He did it, baby! No way! Yes, sir, baby!
Yes,
Oh my goodness! That is crazy, bro. Give me some of that. Good job, dude.
Second try.
Good job, baby.
Yes, sir.
Bruh, you got it now, man. No way. No way, baby!
You think I can like slingshot across the pond?
You going another level now?
Let's see how far I can get.
Shoot.
Yes, sir.
Go. Oh my gosh! Are you kidding me? He never touched water! He never touched water, bruh! Are you kidding me, dude? Oh my gosh! Bro, you never touched water, man! Get the church clothes on, bruh!
Yeah, baby. Tomorrow we're coming after church. We go. Oh, heck yeah. Never getting wet. Never getting wet once.
Oh my! Bruh! Bruh! wants to try to do a shove it, okay?
Okay.
But in order for him to do it, he's got to pull up, get slack, do the shove it, right?
Oh, we're doing it and still holding on to it?
Yes.
Oh.
You do it. Can you do it? And then you go behind. What is it, like that?
He's not going to have to pass the rope.
You pull forward, you get slack, you do the shove it, you land, and it gets back, the slack comes back to tight, and you finish it out.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's gonna be tricky. This one's gonna be tough. All right. Yes, sir! Oh my gosh! I got it, baby! Bro, that board is insane right there, man.
Indeed.
Look at that.
Sandfish raws afloat.
Hey, close it out.
All right. Hey, thanks for watching that video. We were just messing around with a rope and a Polaris, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.